Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to work on the challenge lab, deploy and evaluate model garden models. Lot of people commented recently that they are facing issue with this challenge lab. So I started making this video. The main objective of this challenge lab is to work with model garden documentation, notebooks, and deployment actions. We are also working on using partner APIs such as Claude and Llama. And finally, we will deploy models like Llama to vertex A endpoints and querying models at the endpoint. First of all, click on the Start Lab. It might take up to 5 minutes to provision the resources for you, and then open it in an incognito window. We also need the help of ChatGPT to finish this task. We need to modify certain comments in the Jupyter notebook. So let's get started. Our first task is to deploy a foundation model to vertex A endpoint. For this, find the code Llama model in the model garden and accept the license. Okay. Click on model garden here. Type code Llama. Accept it and then click on deploy model. Vertex here. Come back to this. Choose the region US central one. Endpoint name. NVIDIA public shared endpoint. Machine type is NVIDIA G2. Click on no resolution window. Endpoint access. Shared endpoint. Click on deploy. Okay. Deploying model can take up to 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's go to the task 2. In the console, navigate to vertex A workbench. Go to workbench. Open Jupyter Lab and click on terminal. Okay, open Jupyter Lab. Okay, click on the terminal. Copy paste the command to download the files. The left side you will see the files that are getting downloaded. Okay, open model garden challenge notebook. Run the first cell. Once it successfully ran, install all the requirements. You can restart the kernel. Next step is to set up an initialize vertex array to import libraries. Okay, then click on kernel and restart kernel. Okay, now import this. Okay, before running it, update the project ID. You can do it in two ways. One is you can place directly like the project ID here, come back. This is not the suggestible approach. Another one is you can take project ID equal to project ID of 0. Both the ways it will work. Next, define the prompts for evaluation. Run these cells. In this, you need to modify the prompt. Come back to this and copy paste this prompt. Okay, with your work, come back here. Task 2 completed. For the task 3, set the license Llama for API service. Enable API service. Okay, come back here. Go to model garden. Click on search models and search for Llama for API service. Click on enable. You can open this notebook, and like this notebook will be helpful for us to finish this lab. Okay. Okay, let's run the cells in task 3. Okay, you need to modify this section. Go to this and copy paste the code here. Now run this to check your work. Don't have a response for each prompt. Come here to check our progress. It's working fine till the last step. Next one is to use the Anthropic SDK. For this, enable the Claude Sonnet 4. Copy this. Go to Model Garden. Click on Claude Sonnet 4. Okay. Here we have to enter business name, everything. It is provided here. Business name is Symbol Store. This is the business website. Retail, internal employees. Click on now and then click on next. Okay, do not choose anything, just agree terms and conditions. Click on agree. Okay, manage on vertex here. Now come back to our task here. Okay, use Claude Sonnet 4. Run this cell and then Okay, you need to modify your project ID here. That's why it's not working. Come back and replace your project ID with your Quick Labs project ID. Now this should work. After running that cell, you can come back and check your progress. It will be assessment completed. Next task is conduct a pairwise evaluation. Okay. For this, run the first two cells. You need to modify the third cell. Okay, just copy paste everything. Okay. From this, copy paste here. Okay, then modify the syntax. Okay, it's working. And then Okay, you have to change the project ID from here. That's why it is throwing permission denied error. Come back here and check the progress. We completed. For this task 6, access the foundation model, deploy to vertex endpoints. We are facing issue like while testing the code comma deployment. We are facing issue with the endpoint. I already reported it to the quick lab support, waiting from their end. Once it gets sorted, I will make another video covering this task. If you want the code, you can copy this and paste it in the chat GPT. It will provide the relevant code for this task. Okay, you need to replace your project number and endpoint ID here and modify this section. Okay, I'll make another video on this task. For the cleanup, we are about to clean our resources. This is task 7. Actually, issue here is we have copied the code before it is getting generated. So try this block, it will work definitely. Come back to our task and check for the progress here. All the resources got cleaned up. With this you will achieve 80% in this lab. The only task that is pending is deploy code Llama. I'll come up with another video on that. Yeah, thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.